White ball to start for the second over. 17 runs by Ceylon Sporting. Lovely way back by Kasim Churi, the star all-rounder cricketer. Start with a wide after a dot ball to back. Wide alla matiko, okay. Two clever deliveries, two dot balls to start by Kasim Churi, a wonderful, talented all-rounder cricketer. Using full-length delivery in consecutive time by Kasim, and he is giving a sudden break. And Niaz PCC is such a staggering genius of a batter in tennis ball cricket. Such an outstanding batter who is standing in front of the wicket for Ceylon Sporting. Trying to pull, catches a call, taken brilliantly by the fielder. Very well judged one from the fielder. Just maintained the rhythm really well. And Chachi makes no mistakes over there. That's a perfect catch of the match that brings wicket number 2. 2 down from the side. And there it is, Shabir Sportsline joins in the middle along with Vineet in at number 4. Bowling with some confidence, is controlling the things really well. Last ball of the over. Straight to the fielder in long on and makes no mistakes. Looks easy for the fielder, and that's another wicket. Comes and gone without any impact at anywhere by the new batter. A successful over comes to an end from the bowling side. Kasim Churi did the work superbly. രണ്ട് വിക്കറ്റുകൾ രണ്ടാമത്തെ ഓവറിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുമ്പോൾ what an outstanding over it was from Kasim Churi. And here coming Chachi coming into the action with the over number 3. 16 for the loss of 3. What a shot of authority that was. That was in the slot of the batter. And absolutely slotted out of the park of Lords with a beauty from Vineet. 22 runs by Ceylon Sporting with an incredible hit from Vineet. So the block on is tried and nicely placed through the onside. And he just beats infield, gets a single. Fantastic batting, keeping by Vineet at the other end, and Ashwit. Ashwit Kasaragod strikes really big. It is back to back. Wonderful hit once again by another star of Kasaragod. Ashwit stand and deliver over long off half a dozen. counter-attack begins by the batting side. When they lost 3 wickets, such a superb last over by Kasim Churi. It's a cracking start in this over by the batting side of Ceylon Sporting. That looks promising, and these two are doing the partnership really well, and we need so far so good, and Ashwath also giving a very good company. To the onside, trying to find the gap, and quick reaction there by the fielder Askar Kalangai, and it will be just a single. 30 runs on card, and moving to the last ball of the over, number 3. 5 overs of game per side. Excellent yorker, and through the onside, a little bit fumbles there, and that allowed a second travel in an easy way for the batters. And there it is, 2 runs comfortably completed by the batters. That's the end of the over. 3 overs done. It is 32 for the loss of 3 by Ceylon Sporting. 3 ഓവറുകളിൽ 32 റൺസുകൾ 3 വിക്കറ്റ് നഷ്ടത്തിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കിക്കൊണ്ട് സിലോൺ ഒരു തിരിച്ചുവരവ് രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുന്ന ഒരു ഓവറാക്കി മാറ്റുകയാണ്. 2 കിടിലൻ ഷോട്ടുകൾ നമ്മൾ 2 ബാറ്റേഴ്സിന്റെ പക്കൽ നിന്നും കണ്ടുകൊണ്ട് ഈ ഒരു ഓവർ ഒരു പ്രോമിസിംഗ് ആയി മാറുകയാണ് മറുഭാഗത്തേക്ക്. Here comes the icon player coming into the action with the over number 4. Believes in his variation by Apu Besties and start with a golden dot ball in the penultimate over of the very first innings. Full toss, a little wrong line, but not gets the right connection over there, just only a single. And that is moves. We need back to the strikers end for the team Ceylon Sporting. Lovely from Vinit once again. 6 number 3 from this man is generating something special to the scorecard of Ceylon Sporting. What a shot, picking the length superbly. Little bit fuller on this occasion by Apu Besties, and not giving any kind of chance on this occasion to react. Lovely way, just sings the blade through the cow corner into the mid wicket. 1 more half a dozen. Effortless batting, and he's just making something special once again. Shot again, the same result, even bigger and better. 50 comes up for the team, isn't it? Yes, it is. What a wonderful way finishes the over number 4. 51 റൺസുകൾ 3 വിക്കറ്റ് നഷ്ടത്തിൽ സിലോൺ സ്പോർട്ടിംഗ് 4 ഓവറുകൾ പിന്നിടുകയാണ്. And 51 on card after 4 overs. A tremendous batting from Vinny, who just setting the scorecard really well for the team Ceylon Sporting in this early game of MCC Dubai, MCC Premier League 2026. Askar Kalangai coming into the action with the over number 5. That's a full toss and no ball called easily. And absolutely well dispatched that one through the mid-wicket region by Ashwath Kasargowal. And he will get a free hit delivery. Yes, the free hit coming up next. Little bit slow down that one, and that's gone for a boundary for 4 runs coming in an easy way, and these two are building and stitching the partnership in the front line for the team Ceylon Sporting. Such a superb frontline bowlers we have seen from the bowling department of GMC Taira, but what a fabulous batting skill that continues. Little bit width off and makes it easy out of the ground by Ashwit Kasaragod. He's on fire. Absolutely fire by Ashwit Kasaragod. Setting the stage superbly well. 68 on card by Ceylon Sporting. 4 balls to go. Sammu Chattanjal is coming. Iqbal Vengana and Nivas Thiru, the match officials for the first match of MCC Premier League Season 3. And we have Yunus Malappuram as a scorer. A trouble start by Oscar Kalangai. Start with a no ball that was treated with a 6 after a boundary, then a 6. Nicely back there, and Sambu comes with the dot ball. And Ashwat is in form batter. He is standing with 24 runs from just 9 balls. And we need on the other side with 34. Looks a good connection. There is a fielder, Oscar Kalangai. He makes no mistakes, and that's a fantastic innings of Ashwat Kasaragod. Comes to an end. And he's gone back. What a fantastic partnership we have seen, and Nihal comes as a new batter. 2 balls to go from the innings. Taps it through the onside by Nihal, gets his first run, and that brings Vinny back to the strikers, and he's on 34 in no time. What a crackers we have seen from this man. Straight up in the sky. Taken finally. And that's end of another stupendous innings of Vinny. He's gone back, and what a first innings. At the innings അവസാനിക്കുമ്പോൾ സ്കോർ ബോർഡിൽ 69 റൺസുകൾ 70 റൺസിന്റെ ടാർഗറ്റ് സിലോൺ സ്പോർട്ടിങ്ങിനെതിരെ GMC തയ്യാറെടുക്കുക മത്സരം ജയിക്കാൻ. രണ്ടാമത്തെ മത്സരത്തിന്റെ ടോസിന് വേണ്ടി മൊഫിൻ ചെമ്പരിക്ക ടീം നജാഫ് ടീം ക്യാപ്റ്റൻസ് റിപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. 70 റൺസ് ഓഫ് ടാർഗറ്റ്. Mavin Chambarika won the toss and elected to bowl first for the match number 2. Here we go. Excellent length to start by an excellent bowler in Kasaragod. International frame. Qatar International Irshad with the over number 1. Abu Besti is on strikers end, and Qasim Churi on the other side as a non-striker. 70 runs of chasing target. Irshad looks to comes it around the wicket. Oh, he missed that one. That was gone away. No ball is a call from the center. That free hit really used well by Apu Besties. Magnificently placed out of the ground for 6 runs by Apu Besties. He is the best in the business in new generation of Kasaragod. Absolutely wonderful strike using the benefits. Straight over the wicket keeper and creating a chance by Irshad, but it was past the wicket keeper and nothing on this occasion. A very good variation, a little bit controls that one by Irshad. While reduce the pace of the ball, using his finger to rolling on the track. Excellent execution on this occasion by Irshad, the star frontline bowler, who is doing his business in style. Moving to the last ball of the over. White ball, he need to load that one again. Irshad using some pace on this occasion, but line of the delivery goes away from the right hander, away from the leg stump. Wide is the call. 8-on card by the team. Another change in length, and this time batter moves easily between the wicket. That will be the end of the over number 1. First over done, 9. 9 റൺസുമായി ആദ്യ ഓവർ അവസാനിക്കുന്നു. ഇനി വിജയത്തിന് 61 റൺസിന്റെ ലക്ഷ്യം 24 പന്തുകളിൽ നിന്ന് GMC തയ്യാറാക്കി. 61 required from 24 balls of cricket. You are watching the first match of MCC Dubai, MCC Premier League Season 3. Ceylon Sporting versus GMC Taira. Ceylon Sporting set a target of 70 and GMC looks to be a decent start in front of Irshad. There is 9 runs came from the first over. A little bit drizzling here in Lords. It's a rainy season. Schools are open. Not gets the right connection there, a little bit on the top of the bounce by Apu through the onside. Gets a single that brings Qasim Churi for the first time in front of the wickets. Double digit on card for the chasing side of GMC Taira. Slow delivery, waiting for that one, and that full toss, dispatching into the mid wicket by Qasim Churi. What a fabulous all-rounder. He was done and does an absolute brilliant second over in the previous innings for the team GMC, picking 2 wickets. And this time start with a 6. Glorious start by Qasim Churi. 16 on card. Not gets the right connection, keeping it away. There will be a chance, but no one there to back up. Holding the ball by Sanaf. Very well backed by Apu. 16 runs on guard. Qasim Churi, the key man on strikers end for the team. Oh, gets an edge. Gone past the wicket keeper, and this time it will be a single. Niaz PCC, the wicket keeper, very close to the stumps. Ahmad Nihal is doing the over number second. Very good delivery, strong one, keeping it full and tight just in front of the trum line. Brilliant from Nihal. Moving to the last ball of the over number 2. Another one, changes the length, and that also works in favor of the bowler. Excellent way, finishes 2 overs by the bowling side. There is a steady start for the batters, 17 without loss after 2 overs. 53 required from 18 balls. 53 റൺസുകൾ 18 പന്തുകൾ ശേഷിക്കുമ്പോൾ മത്സര വിജയത്തിന് GMC തൈറയ്ക്ക് മുൻപിൽ ടാർഗറ്റായി നിൽക്കുന്നു. Vinith Vince coming, another all-rounder, and in front of the all-rounder of GMC Taira, Qasim Churi, is keeping the hopes and dreams alive. We are in the middle over of the innings number 2. Catches a call, miss it from Qasim Churi, and missed it by Ahmad Nihal. There it is, the lifeline. 2 runs, isn't it? Yes. 2 runs resulted. And Qasim Churi on strikers end. And this time the fielder makes no mistakes, and easy one, and perfectly handled by the fielder for the team. Ceylon Sporting is ready to tightening the screws of the game, and they gets a big wicket. A settled batter, Qasim Churi, gone back, and first wicket down. Number 1 goes down. Chachi comes in at number 3. Little bit huge ask in front of the team. GMC Taira, they need 51 from 16. Clever delivery. Variation looks fantastic so far from Vinith, and this time Apu Besties on strikers end, and Vinith comes in front of Apu Besties. Both are known very well each other. This will be interesting. Apu waiting there, and Irshad waiting in the deep, and he gets that one. That's a big wicket. Double surgical strike in this over by Vinith Vince. He's just cutting the wings of the opposite side by Vinith Vince. That is Sammu Chattanjal for you. Some hits from Sammu. Magnificently start. 26 on card. 44 required from 13. No look at this level, best by Sammu. What a cracker jacker. What a magnificent one by Sammu Chattanjal announcing his arrival. With that reverse stroke at its best. With that no looks. Looks to be fantastic. End of the over. 38 required from 12 balls. 32 for 2 right now after 3 overs. And 38 required from 2 overs of cricket. What a replay by Sammu Chattanjal. Absolutely interesting game of cricket you are watching in the very first match of MCC Dubai presents MCC Premier League Season 3. Nias PCC comes and this man Chachu is ready to make the ball piece out of the ground. 3 sixes in a row, hat-trick 6 by the team while chasing a difficult target. And it will be looks fantastic rhythm for the team. 38 on card and 32 required a scenario. Completely changing the momentum, shifting time right now in the middle of the ground. We have seen a similar situation in the previous innings. Another one, just like the other one. Fielders just like a spectators at the moment right now on the ground. 2 sixes in the last over and 2 sixes to start this over. And just 26 വേണം പത്തിൽ. What a game! What a comeback! The credit goes to Sammu Chattanjal who just keeping the energy and just giving a boost of energy with that too confident booster of sixes. And Chachi just taken the battle. Well. Man oh man, Nias PCC bowls with a tight line. A precious dot ball. Every dot ball is a big matter. 9 balls of cricket. Chachi goes again and there is a field of waiting in the deep. He's stacked there. Gathered nicely, takes a single by the batter. That springs. Sammu Chattanjal is back to the strikers end. 2 balls 12. What an entry for him. Little bit changing the field placement there. Waiting for that and he left that one. In the line says by the umpire on center. Nivas Tidur makes a good decision because the batter moves away from the off stump. So the line also moving away. Miss it on this occasion and through the onside finds a fielder. There will be a chance in the striker and or what? No, the wicket keeper is expecting a little bit quick action from the fielder and it was completely missed. But a little productive over comes to 1 and 14 runs came from the last over. ഇനി വേണം 24 അവസാന 6 പന്തുകളിൽ നിന്ന് മത്സരം വിജയിക്കാൻ GMC തയ്യാറെടുക്കുക. Ceylon Sporting 24 required from final 6 balls of cricket. What an interesting game of cricket this is turning out to be from the opening match of MCC Dubai presents MCC Premier League 2026 season number 3. Thank you Spicy Cafe. Spicy Cafe, Mandi and Grill as our title sponsors. Thank you very much. And thank you Fabulous FB. The big brand name is giving all the support. And thank you Ludis. Thank you Sportsline. Thank you Mastachuri. Thank you YSM Clothing. Iqbal, 1 minute. Iqbal. 702. That's all set. 24 required from 6. Oh, Sanaf comes and it will be a white call from the center. Sambu left that one. Is asking something to the square leg umpire. And there it is, need to load again. 23 required from 6. No ball is the call from the square leg umpire because of the action. There it is. Well, Sanaf looks to goes back and who will be the bowler? Some discussion happening there right on the middle. They have some experienced campaigners. Number one. Yes. As the free hit signal we can see from the center, Amchu Solo is coming into the action. That will be a full toss delivery, trying to keep the line of the delivery away from the batter. Just a single on this occasion. 50 comes up for the team GMC Taira. 20 required from 5 balls of cricket. Anjali straight up in the sky. There it is, the batters once again moves between the wicket. Decent start by Amchu Solo. Ready to bring back the action for the bowling side of Ceylon. In the air, Nias PCC comes and brings that one successfully for the bowling side. That is the end of a fine innings by Chachi. He's gone back and Nichu coming as a new batter. Three balls, 19. Need 3 big sixes to level the scorecard. Missed it completely by Nichu, the new batter. Straight away a pressure and completely pulling the pressure out by Amchu Solo. Having a vast experience in this ground by Amchu Solo, using all those experience, and he just bringing the variation at his level best in the final over. One more wicket. What a time to change that one. And what a time to arrive by Amchu Solo. Anas, the new batter, comes in. But things all keeping in the hands, in the custody. Curtain falling delivery of the game. Oh, it is a call, you need to load again, but no tension, no worries there in the camp of Ceylon Sporting. Irshad always active in the field, the captain, the experienced star, giving the words again and again to his bowlers. Bowler's favorite captain. Irshad is a genuine frontline bowler. What a way to use their resources. They have well-experienced Shabir and a prolific top order batter, Istiaq Hussain, and a lot of star there, and they were celebrating. Ceylon Sporting won the game. The first match comfortably won by Ceylon Sporting. Congratulations.